Did you know that most problems are not what's going on around you? It's what's going on between your ears. Hi, I'm Randy Guttenberger, author and host of Managing Your Crazy Self. What is it that drives you crazy? Is it your work, your bills, your weight, your spouse, your kids? What in life is holding you back, giving you fear, anxiety, or stress? Something that you would love to overcome so that you could be more productive and happy in life. From 20 years of coaching people in the workplace, coaching families, individuals, and couples, I want to bring to you some new insights that will help you manage your crazy self. Today's video is to introduce the book, Managing Your Crazy Self. The benefits of reading this book and understanding the insights and methods to apply in your life will factor on 4 key relationships that you have. The first is with yourself. The most important relationship you have is with yourself. The second is with your mate or partner. The third is with your children. And the fourth is with your coworkers, particularly those that have authority over you or that you have authority over. Think of your brain as having 2 parts. One part is your reactive brain, which I call the ostrich brain. The other part is your conscious cognitive mind, which I call the rhino mind. Managing your crazy self teaches you how to manage your reactive thoughts and emotions and move your thoughts to your conscious mind, giving you peace in your life. These insights are easy to do, fun to apply in your daily life, and you can start today. There are 4 things you can do. 1 is get the book. 2 is call for coaching. No matter where you are, we can do the coaching long distance. 3 is attend a workshop or webinar. Or 4 is host a workshop or webinar at your organization or town. These insights and methods will give you a new perspective on yourself and others and help you take charge of your life.
Randy really broke down for me really the science of how my brain thinks and how my brain works.
Well, I've used Randy's techniques for years. It's really helped me in the business environment. He's worked in about 6 of the hospitals that I've been responsible for from time to time, including some outside consulting that I've done.
He has helped me a lot with, things that come up in my life, and he gives me great guidance and lets me approach things in a much more sane way.
Discover how to manage your crazy self, and I promise you will never look at life the same again.